Today, we are going to talk about a very important question. Is social media useful or dangerous? Almost everyone in the world uses social media. Students use it. Parents use it. Teachers use it. Workers use it. Business owners use it. Some people say social media is a blessing. Some people say social media is a curse. So what is the truth? The truth is simple. Social media is a tool. A tool can help you. A tool can also harm you. It depends on how you use it. In this video, we will talk slowly and clearly about what social media is, how social media is useful, how social media is dangerous, how students should use social media, how adults should use social media, how to control social media instead of being controlled by it. By the end of this video, you will understand how to use social media in a smart and safe way. What is social media? Social media means websites and apps where people can share photos, share videos, send messages, write posts, give opinions, talk to others. Examples of social media are Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter, X, TikTok, Snapchat. Social media connects people. People from different cities, countries, and cultures can talk easily. This was not possible before. Why people love social media? People love social media because it is fast, easy, free, entertaining. You do not need special skills to use it. You only need a phone and internet. With one click, you can watch videos, chat with friends, post photos, learn new things. This comfort makes social media very popular. P. Post photos. Useful side of social media. Now let us talk about the good side of social media. P. Post. Social media for communication. P. Social media helps people talk to each other easily. You can message your friends. P. You can call your family. You can video call relatives who live far away. This makes relationships stronger. Example: a student studies in another city. Before social media, he could talk to family once in many days. Now he can video call every day. This reduces loneliness. P. Social media for education. Many teachers share free lessons online. Learn English, math, science, coding, history, geography, general knowledge. Students can watch videos again and again. If they do not understand once, they can watch again. This is very helpful. Example: Ravi is weak in English. He starts watching English-speaking videos on YouTube. Every day he watches 30 minutes. After 1 year, he speaks better English. This is real power. Social media for skill development. People learn skills using social media. Video editing, graphic design, content writing, digital marketing, public speaking. These skills help people get jobs. Many people earn money online. They started by learning from social media. Small shop owners advertise on social media. They post photos of products. Customers contact them. Sales increase. People do not need big shops. Social media becomes their shop. Social media for awareness. People learn about health tips, government schemes, news, social issues. This spreads awareness. People become informed. Social media for entertainment. People watch comedy videos. People listen to music. People relax. Entertainment is important after hard work. Dangerous side of social media. Now let us talk about the negative side. This part is very important. Addiction. Using social media. They check phone again and again, even without reason. This is addiction. Addiction is dangerous. It wastes time. It reduces focus. It destroys productivity. Time waste. People plan to study, but they open Instagram. They watch reels. One reel becomes many reels. 2 hours pass. Work is not done. This happens daily. This destroys future. Effect on students. Students use phone while studying. Students use phone in class. They cannot concentrate. Marks go down. Confidence goes down. Effect on mental health. People compare themselves with others. People. They see happy faces. They think, my life is bad. I am useless. This creates sadness. This creates anxiety. This creates depression. Fake life on social media. People show only good moments. Nobody shows struggles. Real life has problems. But social media hides reality. This creates false expectations. Cyberbullying. Some people abuse others online. They write bad comments. They make fun of others. This hurts deeply. Some people even think about harming themselves. This is serious. Fake news. Many fake stories spread online. People believe without checking. This creates confusion. Fear. This can cause violence. Privacy danger. People share personal photos. People share phone numbers. Hackers can misuse information. Accounts can be hacked. Money can be stolen. Health problems. Too much screen time hurts eyes. Neck pain, back pain, headache, poor sleep, weak body. Should social media be banned? Some people say ban social media. This is not practical. We cannot stop technology. Better option is education. Teach people how to use it. Smart use of social media. Use social media with purpose. Ask yourself, why am I opening this app? Time limit rule. Example rule. 1 hour learning, 30 minutes entertainment. Not more. Follow right content. Follow educational pages. Unfollow negative pages. Your feed controls your mind. No phone before sleep. Good sleep is important. Stop using phone 1 hour before bed. Digital awareness. Check information before believing. Do not talk to strangers. Do not share personal details. Role of parents. Parents should guide children. Parents should talk politely. Parents should set example. If parents use phone all day, children will do the same. Should teach digital safety. Schools should teach discipline. Building self-control. Strong people control habits. Weak people are controlled by habits. Build discipline daily. Balance is key. Do not hate social media. Do not worship social media. Use it wisely. Real-life example. 2 students use social media. Student A watches educational videos. Student B watches reels. After 1 year, Student A improves. Student B regrets. Same phone. Different choices. Final message. Social media will not destroy you. Your habits will. Social media will not make you successful. Will. Outro. So is social media useful or dangerous? It is useful if you control it. It is dangerous if it controls you. Choose wisely. Your future depends on it.